Today we are going to start with new chapter in zoology, that is human health and diseases. Today we are going to discussing about human health and diseases. In this chapter we are going to discussing about what is the first one. What is the definition of the health? What is the definition of the disease? What is the history of the human health and diseases? After the definition of the health, according to the WHO, World Health Organization, and also we are going to discussing about infectious agents. That is infectious agents like bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa. These all diseases and symptoms. What are the microorganisms to cause these diseases? After then fungal diseases, after then protozoan diseases, we are going to discuss in this chapter. After the completion of this diseases, after you go further, that is the immunity. What is the immunity? What is the vaccination? What is the immunization? What is the autoimmune diseases? What is the allergic reactions? This all immunity we are discussing the second content of the human health and diseases. After that, we are discussing the dangerous diseases like AIDS and also cancer. After that, we are going to discussing about the drugs. What are the drugs nowadays available? Those are completely they depend on these drugs. What are the effects of these drugs? How they will use these drugs? After then, smoking, tobacco. After then, adolescence stage. After then, it is the preventive measures. Today class, we are going to start with the third chapter in zoology, that is human health and diseases. Human health and diseases. Today we are going to start with that is the third chapter, human health and diseases. Human health and diseases. In this chapter, human health health and diseases. Human health and diseases. Human health and diseases. In this chapter, you are going to discussing about the first one. What is the old history of health? What is the old history of the human health and diseases? Coming to the second one, definition of the health according to the WHO. According to the WHO, definition of the health. Coming to the after then, we are going to discussing about what are the pathogens to cause these diseases. Again, what is the diseases? Bacterial diseases. We are going to discussing in this chapter bacterial diseases. Bacterial diseases. After that, viral diseases. Viral diseases. Viral diseases. After the viral diseases, fungal diseases. Fungal diseases. Fungal diseases. After the fungal diseases, protozoan diseases. Protozoan diseases. Protozoan diseases. After then, helminthus diseases. Helminthus diseases. Helminthus diseases. Helminthus diseases. After that, we are going to discussing about that is immunity. Immunity. In this immunity, what is non-specific immunity or innate immunity? Second one, acquired immunity. Again, the acquired immunity, again it is the after the birth, that is the acquired immunity. After that, we are going to discussing about vaccination, immunization, and also autoimmune diseases. Next one, primary lymphoid organs, secondary lymphoid organs. After that, we're going discussing about AIDS. After the immunity, what is the next one? AIDS. Introduction of AIDS. Mechanism of AIDS. What are the preventive measures of AIDS? Next one. Cancer. What is the next one? Cancer. What is the cancer? What is the benign cancer? What is the first stage cancer, second stage cancer, third stage cancer, malignant cancer? What are the preventive measures? What are the diagnostic methods? Okay, what are the treatments are available for the cancer? After the cancer, we are going to be discussing about drugs and abuse. Drugs and abuse. What are the drugs are available nowadays? Many youth, 15 to 24 year age peoples, the adolescents age people, the adolescents students or peoples, they're addicted completely. They're addicted to the drugs and alcohol and smoking. Kind of based on some motivations, they go for the drugs and abuse. Kind of what are the drugs are available nowadays? That is known as cannabinoids. Cannabinoids, morphines, cocaines, different drugs. These are drugs are available nowadays. What are the effects once you are addicted? These drugs. What are the effects of this? How this body functions are affected to these drugs once you are taking it. After the adolescence. After then adolescence. After then adolescence. What is the age of adolescence? What is the age between adolescence? Introduction of adolescence. Next one, addiction. Next one, dependence. After then, addiction. After then, addiction. After then, dependence. Dependence. After then, preventive measures. In this chapter, we are going to discussing about, it is a third chapter in zoology. It is a third chapter in zoology. In third chapter, what is the first one we are going to discussing in this chapter? What is the first one? It is this chapter name, Human Health and Diseases. Human health and diseases. What is the first one? World history of the human health and diseases. After that, according to the WHO, what is the definition of the health? What is the definition of the health? WHO means World Health Organization. According to the WHO, it is located in the Geneva. It is located in the Geneva. It is near to the Switzerland. Next one, what are the diseases? Bacterial diseases. Next one, common viral diseases, common fungal diseases, protozoal diseases, elemental diseases, immunity. Next one, after diseases completed, in this mainly we will focus on the protozoal diseases. That is the malarial diseases. What is the mechanism of the malarial diseases? How this to prevent these measures? We can discuss it in this chapter. What is the symptoms? What are the preventive measures? How can you identify any tests are available for these diseases? After the immunity. What is immunity? How many types of immunity? Non-specific immunity, acquired immunity. After then, autoimmune diseases. Next one, primary lymphoid and secondary lymphoid organs. After them, AIDS. What is the introduction of the AIDS? What is the mechanism of the AIDS? What are the preventive measures of the AIDS? After them, cancer. What is the cancer? How many types of cancer? How many types of tumors? What are the diagnostic methods? What are the preventive measures? We will discuss in this chapter. Next one, what are the drugs available? Cocaine, morphine, ganjai, cannabinoids. What are these drugs are affected in our body? Next one, adolescence is addiction, dependence, and also preventive measures. Coming to the first one, human health and disease. What is the first one? Old work. What is the first one? Old work. In the old work, how can you define the health? In the olden days, how can you define the health? Health is nothing but they are saying in the olden days, they believe health is nothing but balance between the mind and body. Mind and body. Whenever the mental, the peaceness, the mental peaceness means the brain is, it is good means our body also good. They are believing in the olden days, the health is maintained by the health is balanced by the mind and body is balanced by the humors. Body and mind is balanced by the humors. But mind is balanced by the humors. Okay, what is the word work here? Okay, what is coming to the first introduction of the history of the health? History of the health. Okay, first one, that is the old history of the health. In olden days, in the Greek time, okay, in the Greek time or Indian Ayurvedic time, they believe mind and body balance is maintained by the humerus. Okay, mind and body balance is maintained by the humerus. What is the meaning of the humerus? Humerus are nothing but body fluids. Humerus are nothing but body fluids. Humerus are nothing but body fluids. How many body fluids are maintained in our health? 4 types of body fluids. What is the fluids? Yellow fluids. Okay, black fluids. Okay, next one, it is nothing but blood, red fluids, and also air. They believe these 4 body fluids to maintain the health. These 4 fluids are maintain the health. It is in the olden days, like that is the Indian Ayurvedic. Who is the father of Indian Ayurvedic? Charaka. Charaka is the Indian Ayurvedic scientist. He also believe in our mind and body balance is maintained by the, his belief, 3 body fluids. According to the Indian medicine, he is the father of the medicine. That is the Hippocrates. He believed that 4 humerus, 4 body fluids to maintain the body and mind. They believe, okay, it is a golden work. Okay, for example, in Greek period and also Indian Ayurvedic, they believe one theory, that is known as one hypothesis, that is known as a good humor hypothesis. What is known? Good humor hypothesis. What is the meaning of the good humor hypothesis? Good humor hypothesis means those are having more black bile present inside the body. Those are the hot personalities. Those are suffering to the fever. They believe those persons more black bile produced in their body. Those persons are suffering to the fever. Those persons are suffering to the fever. Okay, any person, what is the meaning of the black bile? Black bile, it is nothing but liver is secreted into the one important juice is known as a bile juice. The bile juice is the color is different. Based on the color, they are differentiated into the black bile, yellow bile, green bile. Okay, at the time of the golden days, at the time of the golden history, they believe, okay, the black bile, those persons having more black bile, those persons are suffering to the fever. Once after many years, okay, the research is going on the biology according to the human health and diseases. After then, William Harvey is identified, he invented, that is the thermometer, is working on the double circulation. But the William Harvey is the father of blood circulatory system. After his invention, the thermometer, it is useful for the body temperature is useful for the 37 degrees centigrade. Whenever the body temperature is increases, they are using the thermometer. Okay, whether in our body consists of whether the black bile or yellow bile. black bile or yellow bile you can use for the thermometer. The William Harvey disproved good humor hypothesis. Good humor hypothesis. William Harvey disproved good humor hypothesis. Good humor hypothesis. After many years, the biology research is going on. After they will identify neural system, endocrine system, and also immune system. This immune system only to maintain the balance. Any immune system is imbalanced. Any immune organs are, it is an immune system or immune cells, immune organs are any imbalance. It is affected means it leads into the diseases. It leads into the diseases. According to the WHO, according to the WHO, World Health Organization, what is the definition of the health? What is the definition of the health? According to the WHO, what is the definition of the health? It is a complete physical, mental, and also social well-being is known as a health. What is the definition of the health according to the WHO? What is the definition of health definition for the WHO? Complete physical fitness. Completely physically well-being. Physically well-being. Completely mentally well-being. Completely mentally well-being. Completely socially well-being. Socially well-being. Socially well-being. What is the meaning of physically well-being, mentally well-being, socially well-being? According to the WHO, what is the definition of the health definition? It states that health means completely 100% is physically fit, mentally fit, socially well-being. What is the meaning of physical fitness? Our body height equal to the our body weight. Our body height is 164 means our weight is 90 means we are not physically fitness. Our body height is 164 means our weight is 45 to 50 kgs means you are the physically fitness. You are the healthy person. Okay, now coming to the mentally fitness. What is the meaning of the mentally 100% fitness? You are always thinking in the positive minds. You are always thinking the peace of mind. Okay, no mental tensions, no more pressure apply on the brain. No more pressures, no more mental tensions. We are not received to the in the surrounding to the in our brain. Once your more pressure apply on the brain means it leads into the many diseases, more stress, more pressure, more mental tensions. It leads into the diseases. You are the mental fitness means you are always thinking in the positive mind, peace of mind. You are always go for the positive ways and positive thoughts. You are always mentally fitness. And also, what is the meaning of socially well-being? Socially well-being means you are always maintain the good relationship to the friends, parents, and also relatives and society. And also society. You are always 100% socially well-being. That is the exact definition of the health. Exact definition of the health. According to the World Health Organization, it is a state that what is the definition for the health? Completely physical fitness, completely mental fitness, completely social well-being. Physical fitness means our weight is equal to our height. And also mentally fitness means you are always thinking in the positive mind. You are always thinking in the positive mind. Coming to the socially well-being means you are always maintain the good relationship to the in the society, friends, parents, and relatives. To good relationship means you are always to maintain, to reach into the to maintain the good health. That is the definition for that is the exact definition of the health. Exact definition of the health. The health is affected to the health is affected to the How the health is affected? Coming to the see here. The health is affected to the health is affected. The health is affected. The health is affected to the first one. The health is affected to the mind and body state. Mind and body state. Mind and body state. Mind and body state. For example, our mind is good. Our mind is always thinking positive thoughts, always maintain the peace of mind. Our body also good. We are the healthy person. For example, our mind is not good, our body also not good. The health is affected. Coming to the next one, genetic disorders. Genetic disorders. Genetic disorders. The genetic disorders also affected to the, for example, any mother at the time of the pregnancy, any mother it is infected to the any genetic disorders, the genetic disorders are transferred into the mother to the baby. Mother to the baby. For example, mother does not consist of any genetic disorder, the baby also not suffering to the any genetic disorders. Genetic disorders, these disorders are transferred from the inherited diseases. Inheritance means the characters, the genes transfer from the at the time of the delivery of the baby, mother to the baby. The genetic disorders also it is affected to the health, and also other what is the name? Infections. What is this one? Infections. Infections. What is the meaning of the infections? Any pathogen, any bacteria, any virus, any fungi, any protozoans, they are reaches into the inside the host body, inside the any host body, inside the host body, they are continuously divide. They are continuously divide. For example, it is our cell. It is our cell. Any pathogen, any pathogen, any pathogen means pathogen. Pathogen means any pathogen means bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoa enter into the inside in our body cell. They continuously divide, they continuously replicate, increase their number. It leads into the symptoms of the any diseases. Symptoms of any disease. For example, any bacteria enter into the in our body. Any viruses enter into the in our body. Continuously they divide, they will destroy to the any cells, any in our body cells, any tissue cells, any damages. It leads into the some symptoms like sneezing, coughing, and also the temperatures also increases the symptoms. For example, you can observe at the time of the fever. At the time of the fever, what is the symptoms? Before the fever, what is the symptoms? The temperature, body temperature is high, breathing rate also high, and also heart rate also high, and also sweating also more, and also shivering, and also giddiness. Shivering means giddiness, more cold. That is the symptoms you can observe. The infections also, any bacterial infection, viral infection, protozoal infections, any elementous infections, it leads into the fungal infections, leads affected to the health. Coming to the fourth one, health is affected to that is known as lifestyle. What is the name? Lifestyle. What is the name? Lifestyle. The lifestyle also affected to the health. That is the meaning of lifestyles. Lifestyle means our food habits. Okay, now what are the foods we are taking? Okay, now we are taking the good foods means you are taking drinking water or purified water means nothing will happen. We are dependent on the junk foods. We are dependent on the outside food. We are not dependent on the home food. We are dependent on the home food means we are in a healthy environment. No health is affected. Our lifestyles also, our food habits also, and also we are wake up to the 12 o'clock, night 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. It leads into the next day. It leads into the effect to the health. And sleeping activities, wake up activities, and also exercise. Lack of exercise, it leads into the health. Lack of exercise, that lifestyles. Every day, your morning time, any yoga, any meditation. any meditation or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it leads into the peace of mind. It leads into the peace of mind. This lifestyles also sometimes it is affected to the health is affected. Health is affected. What is that? The mind and body state also affected the health. Genetic disorders also affect to the health, and also infections also affect to the health, and also lifestyles, our food habits, our sleeping activities, our wake up activities, our exercises. Once you are doing the regular exercise means you are always healthy condition. You are always healthy condition. You are not doing any exercise. They affect to the any diseases. Our immunity power also day by day decreases. Our immunity power also less. That is also health is affect to the lifestyles also. Coming to the what is the meaning of the disease? What is the meaning of disease? Disease means here. This means discomfort. You are not a comfort. This means discomfort. Disease means discomfort. What is it? Discomfort. Discomfort means our organ system, one or two organ system or cells or tissues may be affected. It leads into the discomfort of the any disease. Discomfort of the any diseases. The diseases are classified into two types. What is the first one? Infectious diseases, non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases means the diseases are transmitted through the infected person to the normal healthy person. Infected person to the normal healthy person. That is the infectious diseases. That is nothing but communicable diseases. What is it? Communicable diseases. Communicable diseases means that diseases are easily transmitted through infected person, already infected person to the normal healthy person. Normal healthy person. That is known as a communicable disease, or also known as a infectious diseases. Coming to the second diseases, that is the non-infectious diseases. These diseases are not transmitted to the infected person to the normal healthy person. Normal healthy person. The diseases are classified into the two types. First one, communicable diseases, non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are also known as the infectious diseases. Non-communicable diseases are also known as the non-infectious diseases. Example for the communicable diseases. Which diseases are transmitted to the infected person to the normal healthy person? That is the bacterial diseases like common cold, like corona. These are the examples, many examples, bacterial, viral, fungal, protozoal. These diseases are transmitted to the one infected person to the normal healthy person. Normal healthy person. Coming to the second one, non-infectious diseases like drinking alcohol, smoking activities, blood pressure, diabetes, cancer. These diseases are never transferred into the one infected person to the normal healthy person. Uninfected person to the normal healthy person. Those are the classification of the disease. Coming to the pathogen. Pathogen means that disease causing microorganism is known as a pathogens. The different pathogens, there is a bacterial, viral, fungal, protozoal, and also helminthus pathogens. It leads into the diseases. In this chapter, what is the first one? We are going to be discussing about human health and diseases. Human health and diseases. What is the history of the health and diseases? Coming to the next one, according to the WHO, what is the definition of the health? Next one, bacterial diseases, viral diseases, fungal diseases, protozoal diseases, helminthus diseases, and also after that, immunity. What is the classification of immunity? Innate immunity, and also acquired immunity. Next one, AIDS, introduction of the AIDS, and also mechanism of AIDS. Next one, cancer. Next one, drugs and abuse, adolescence, addiction, dependence. Last and finally, preventive measures in this chapter. Tomorrow onwards, we are going to discuss the first one, old history. After the health definition. Thank you very much. What's that? Complete.
Or sir,